Unseen threat: how organized stalking expands through construction workers, delivery riders, and couriers. Understanding the expansion of organized stalking. Organized stalking is a pervasive issue that often goes unnoticed by the general public. It involves individuals being targeted and harassed systematically by groups or networks. Strikingly, one of the alarming ways this is facilitated is through seemingly innocuous roles, such as construction workers, delivery riders, and couriers. But how does this expansion occur? Definition of organized stalking. Organized stalking is marked by a calculated effort to harass and intimidate individuals. This harassment includes whispering derogatory remarks from a distance, ranging from insults to threats like die, laughing and mocking the targeted individual, adding to the psychological torment. A pervasive involvement of various members of the community, including children and foreigners, who may not be aware they are part of this harmful network. The role of construction workers, delivery riders, and couriers. The roles of construction workers and delivery personnel often intersect with the mechanics of organized stalking. For a more in-depth analysis of this issue and possible countermeasures, please check out the blog post. You can find the details in the description box or the pinned comment. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe to support our content.